Today, we're unboxing the Sony A6400. Yes, I'm using my Canon M50 right now to film this video. I've always wanted to get a second camera. I've been saving for a while. And last week, I was like, you know what? Kamga, you've been doing this for a bit. It's time to jump the gun. Let's do it. See now, you know how witchcraft exists? Seconds ago, I fixed my settings. I had my overhead shot. I unboxed my camera and all the stuff that was in it, right? And I get up now to stop the video. As I get up, the phone just flickers and that video, I'm sending this voice note and I'm recording it because I want to capture this moment, not just for myself, but for all the people who make things. Sometimes things don't work out. Sometimes they really don't. I remember someone leaving a comment on my video about my mindset, about how if I think things are always hard, then I need to change their mindset. Like, I literally set up everything. Everything is set up. Like right here you have, so this is the handle that was filming my overhead shots. And I know I'm sending you a voice now while recording this, so please don't, I know you're going to laugh, but I cannot just, the emotions I'm feeling right now, I don't want to let go of them. I want to capture this moment. I put up everything. I unboxed it. I unboxed the camera. I showed the lens. I changed from the kit lens to the new lens that I got right here. I had my knife that I was opening things with. I was throwing things dramatically, throwing the receipts dramatically. And then I get up to check the phone that I was using, which is this phone I'm recording with right now. And the phone just blinks and the video is gone. Gone. I cannot unpack this stuff to redo the unboxing. I mean, I probably could if I could try. I just considered it for a bit. But I cannot untear things. I cannot untear the box. Right here, this box. I wanted to do an unboxing of this video, of this camera, and then also an unboxing of that one right there, which I announced in the video and I was very dramatic about it. Sometimes you plan things to the T. You do everything right. You make sure that everything is correct. You figure everything out. You plan A, B, C, D, and things still don't work out. Life. I'm pissed. Like, I'm really upset right now. But also, part of me is like, why are you upset, bro? Like, what are you going to do about it? There's nothing I can do about it. If you get upset at things you can't do anything about, it's a waste of energy. When you're upset at something, do something. You can plan your life every single bit. But you'll get up and some things are going to go wrong. That's what we do. As human beings, we adapt. The idea of creativity, that's why when people tell me that they're not creative, I just laugh, because every single human being is creative. Creativity to me is just the ability to be able to connect two unrelated things together. Spoon and plate. They're related by cutlery, yeah. But the point I'm trying to make is that if you spend your whole life complaining about things that are wrong in your life, you meet other people who are in the same place, and everybody has something that doesn't work out. Every single person. I'm sure there are people who will tell me how they were filming the most important moment in their life, maybe a child getting birth or marriage, and they lost the footage. For me, it's just an unboxing video, right? That's the whole skill of this thing. Like, it's a skill of that's why me right now, I'm upset. But for someone else, this could be nothing. And they will be right. Also, we have to be sensitive to people's feelings, because for some other person, it could be something worse or less compared to mine. So, I was checking to make sure this was even recording, because this will be the icing on the cake. You have to be able to roll with the punches. That's the bottom line of this whole video. You have to be able to roll with the punches in life. It doesn't matter what happened to you. It doesn't matter who did what to do. It doesn't matter what. If you are alive and if you're breathing, you have to figure it out. There's no other option. Things won't work out. Figure it out. And my friend is going to be surprised. I'm sending her a 5-minute voice note talking to a video. This should be fun. Dang.